Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make kinoko gohan. It's very simple mushroom rice. You just need to put everything in a pot and simmer. So it's super easy and very flavorful and delicious. At the end of the video, I will show you how I build a menu with this kinoko gohan, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings and some extra. 2 cups of Japanese rice, 300 grams of mushrooms, any mushrooms you like. Today, I'm using shimeji, shiitake, and maitake. 2 tablespoons each of soy sauce, mirin and sake, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 2 teaspoons of hondashi instant Japanese soup stock. Let's prepare the mushrooms first. Shimeji mushrooms. Cut the bottom off. And just break it into little pieces using your hands. Maitake mushrooms, also into little pieces. You can easily tear it using your hands. And shiitake mushrooms. Cut the stem off. Then into slices. Now, let's rinse rice. Put some water. Stir gently. Drain. And just repeat this 3 or 4 times. Two cups of rice and 2 cups of water into the pot. Rice and water is always 1 to 1. Let's also add all these seasonings. Mirin, sake, soy sauce, sugar, and the soup stock. Give it a stir. Then the mushrooms on top. You don't need to mix it in, just put it on top. Cover with the lid and bring it to boil over medium-high heat. Once it comes to boil, turn the heat to low as you can go, and let it cook for 14 minutes. Cooked for 14 minutes. Kill the heat and let it steam at least for 10 minutes. No sneak peeking. Steam for 10 minutes. Let's mix and fluff. Serve in the rice bowl. And Kinoko Gohan is ready to go. Time for the tasting. It's smelling so good. Itadakimasu. It's full of umami. It doesn't have any meat, but the plenty of mushroom are body to the dish, and it's so good. By the way, you can easily make it vegan by passing the Japanese soup stock or replacing it with vegetable soup stock. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. Kinoko Gohan goes here. Your favorite miso soup here. And how about sweet chili chicken for the main? There are enough vegetable in these dishes, so let's pass one of the side dishes and some sort of pickles, either store-bought or homemade for the other one. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything.